Measuring for shades and blinds is easy with TWOPAGES. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to measure shades and blinds for inside mount. Inside mount means your window coverings will be installed right within the window frame, creating a sleek and seamless look. Just keep in mind that this option is not recommended for windows with shallow sills. For inside mount, there are 3 window frame depth requirements: 2.5 inches for Roman shades, roller shades, cellular shades, 2 3/4 inches for bamboo shades, 3 inches for zebra shades, Venetian blinds. Here's what you need for the measurement: a metal tape measure, a pencil, and a piece of paper. Now let's get started. Step 1. Measure the depth. Measure the depth at the top of the inside window casing to ensure there is enough space for a secure inside mount. This measurement will also determine if a flush mount, where the product sits completely within the window frame without protruding, is possible. Step 2. Measure the width. Due to potential irregularities in window shapes, it's recommended to measure the window at 3 points: across the top, A, middle, B, and bottom, C. Round each measurement down to the nearest 1/8. To ensure the shade fits correctly, use the smallest of these measurements and subtract 3/8 to determine the final width. Step 3. Measure the length. To determine the length, measure the window in 3 locations: across the left A, center B, and right C. Round each measurement down to the nearest 1/8. Use the largest of these measurements as your ordering length. Great, now you have the measurement. If you're still having trouble with measuring, don't worry. There's a measurement guide tool available on the TWOPAGES official website. You can find it at twopagescurtains.com/pages/Roman-shade-measurement-finder.